Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve with me Checkmarks Maths. To solve this question, 3p minus 2 equals minus 7 in this topic of linear equation. Okay, how to get p? As I mentioned in the previous video, the mission of the linear equation is to determine the value of the letter, the value of the variable or the unknown, the p. So how to get rid of other things than p? To get p. Right. So this start now. We start with yellow. So p is here the target. So what is the first we can take out? Of course, the one which is furthest away, which is number 3. P minus 2 is in the bracket which is close, which is 2 is close to P, right? Minus 2. But 3 is a little bit outside, a little bit further away. So we choose 3. So what to do? How to treat 3? Of course, the only way to get rid of 3 is to divide by 3, right? So you divide by 3, then what you get? You get P minus 2, of course. Okay, so equals, of course, the law of balancing principle of the equation is that we treat 1 on the left, we must treat the same on the right. So we divide by 3 on the left is what we have to do now. So divide by 3 on the right. Okay, not white, of course. Put another color. Divide by 3 as well. See? So what you get now? You get now is minus 7 over 3. So alright. So what you get now is minus 7 over 3. Okay. So what we have to do with P now? With P. So what we have to do now? Now is the time for us to separate the negative 2. So 2 must go to the right. So it will become negative 7 over 3. Minus 2 become plus 2. Okay? Become plus 2. Yeah. So what happened is negative 7 over 3 plus 2. So I have to change the color of everything. So make it black here. Okay, can I continue from here, right? Can I? So negative 7 over 3 plus 2. How to deal with that? So it is negative, without calculator, 7 over 3 plus 2 over 1. So we just times here. 3 times 1, 3. See? To the line here. Next is, I use blue. 1 times negative 7 is negative 7. That's it. And the last one is 3 times 2, all positive, of 6. You see, 1 times negative 7 is like, negative is up here. See? Negative you consider on the above. Okay. Negative 7. Okay. So negative 7 plus 6 is, of course, the answer is going to be no other than negative 1 over the denominator is 3. So the answer is negative 1 over 3. That's all for today. It's not everything, right? Keep that. Okay, bye.